Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Minecraft error code. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that we can do is go ahead and make your way over to the search bar and go ahead and type in view network connections. Now from the view network connections tab, you can go ahead and look for whatever your Wi-Fi is. If you're using Ethernet, anyways, make your way over to your connection, right click on it, and go ahead and hit properties. Now from properties, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down to where you see Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Once it is highlighted blue, you can go ahead and right click on it, or you can just click on it, hit properties, and then go over to use the following DNS server addresses. Now the first one is going to be 8.8.8.8, and then the second one is going to be 8.4.4. Now this is what you're going to use. You can go ahead and hit OK, and then you can X out, and then once that is done, you guys should be good to go, and that is it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.